With all the spinach in this garden, let's make some quiche. Right, I've rubbed the butter into 2 cups of flour with a pinch of salt. And now we will knead this and let it rest. Right, to bring this dough together, I'm going to use some of the homemade yogurt and mostly the whey that I need just to bring this dough together. I'm only planning to make so much quiche, so the dough is ready to go and rest. Right, let's mix up our eggs and milk, salt and pepper for our quiche. Right, we're going to roll out this beautiful dough for the quiche and put it in here. The oven is on 180 degrees Celsius, warming up, and then I'm just going to put this dough down in the oven until it's baked. So look at that. It's ready. We'll just pinch in some holes here, and in the oven it will go until the crust is baked. Right, there we go. Right, our crust is ready. Right, first in is our spinach. Right, your meat, I used pork bangers that I fried. Next up is your egg mixture. Into the oven it shall go.